monsieur ça, qui pour moi-même c'est une nouvelle sensation dans la communauté. Même si monsieur a fait pile l'autre bagaille dans la communauté américaine déjà dans affaires musique. M'a parlé de Josh, que certainement que nous ouais dans quelques autres interviews avec des médias dans la communauté. Mais je dis c'est tout pas carré pour nous faire parler avec Josh. What's up, man?
What's up, man? Thank you, man.
Comment est?
Là, tout va en forme moi-même?
En forme, je suis content que nous sommes capables là. Premièrement, je pense que l'important ou dans l'élément, ou dans le studio, ou dans le piano,
tout va.
Et nous prenons un petit casse parler de nous-mêmes, qui est-ce qu'on y est, ça va régler, ça va faire. Et je crois que la communauté a besoin qui est-ce qu'on y est et inspirer un petit casse de savoir faire, de ce qu'on fait. Et puis, bien sûr, pour que, comme tu as dit ça, on prend sans qu'on voulait faire qu'on y a, qui c'est reconnecter à la communauté, à faire musique pour peuple pas, pour monde pas, et pour être capable qu'on valeur les comptes qui s'accueillent. Vraiment, en fait connaissance. Nous connaissons déjà suivi pendant un petit temps, mais le monter sur le website, on a réalisé que on joue musique depuis l'autre tout petit.
Oui.
So racontez-nous ça, non?
So maman sort Haïti. Li sort au Cap.
Yes.
Mon
non.
Oui. Et maman était un petit moment, maman dit moi, j'ai 5 petites. Papa n'a pas jamais payé rien pour vous. Il ne faut pas coûter, ma mère en Haïti, ma quitte là.
Oh.
So, me dit maman te paye, me dit maman c'est pas bon pour moi-même, me fait ici, me pas connaître Haïti, me dit monde. En petit monde. So at 6 years old, maman me dit moi, il faut pas jouer piano, ou fini.
Yeah.
So, même smart child, me dit m'a jouer.
Donc vous avez le choix entre jouer piano ou bien à tourner à Haïti.
Ou tourner à Haïti et pas jamais tourner New York.
Okay.
So me dit maman, me pense maman t'es fou. Bon, te connais pour écouter maman tout le temps, to listen to my mom. That's how I was raised.
Yeah.
So for me, I've been playing since 6 years old. And I started playing classical music because my mom dit moi hip hop is for this moun satan. So you connais haïtien, haïtien maman pas jouer avec tout le monde, very tough. So I started playing at 6 and my first love was the piano. And that was her first love.
Okay.
So she gave that to us and she said, "C'est piano, get a scholarship pour payer pour college, pour aller à l'école." Because my mom did me, you know, Bagaji in New York, 5 kids, single parent.
Yeah.
So she was very strict with that, and that's how I got into music.
Okay. Is piano the only instrument that you play?
No, I play guitar, T guitar, bass, acoustic, and electric.
Wow. But how do you get from classical music to, let's say, pop and R&B music?
So, remember, I tell on Team Mom, you know, don't be like my dad, because when my dad was on pocket fun for tout côté, fun. So, when my mom said, don't be like a womanizer. So, mommy, no, buy no womanizer. When I play classical music for a moon, femme dit mais si ça va jouer pour moi ça va comme si c'est un Mozart, Chopin, me dit mais for me classical music. I said, "Mom, that's not true."
C'est pas femme pour jouer vous-même.
Oui, c'est pas femme moi jouer.
Peut-être femme de génération pour vous.
Oui, c'est my generation.
C'est hip hop, R&B,
so Kunya I'm join R&B.
Yeah.
And when I started playing, because I knew how to jouer déjà, you know, I went to Juilliard already. At this point, I was in all these good schools. It was easy to jouer.
Yeah.
But pour chanter, I started listening to R&B. And that's when I discovered Stevie Wonder, Brian McKnight. Yeah. And then that's when I said, "Mom, as long as I go to college, if I'm fini l'école avec 4-year degree, can I faire ça? Yeah, il dit, vous me faites ça, vous voulez. Bon, mes papiers, tu finis l'école, vous me faites ça, vous voulez. Somebody papier.
That's a typical Haitian
parent.
Oui,
typical Haitian parent. So I gave her the paper and I went in my venture into R&B.
That's it. All right, mais pendant ça, vous grandi as a Haitian American, and then I was watching you in one of your interviews the other day, and you were saying that outside you were that Black American, but inside of your house and maybe among your family,
Haitian
you
net.
were just 100% Haitian.
Haitian net.
How do you balance that?
Well, you don't really have a choice because when I went to school, moi ti moun parler avec maman on papa li même net genre like tell their mother shut up, be quiet. So moi moun blanche, you know, Cartier, I grew up was like a white neighborhood. My mom, I'll go across the street when mom tell her, "Shut up, mom, be quiet." M'ti pe, m'ti ah, ou ti maman Shut up.
Pour nous pas dire ça la caille pas.
In my house, I'm dead. If I'm not even cheap in.
Yeah.
So I had to realize that the culture was completely different.
It was.
But it was good for me.
Yeah.
Because it kept me disciplined. If
Yes.
I live like an Haitien, I don't know where I would be today.
C'est ça qui est intéressant, c'est que parents nous ou ka peut-être trouver au dur, mais c'est leur vin grandi and look back et pour réaliser que éducation que yo ba wa, c'est respecter moun.
Oh
et
my
puis comporter
God.
tête ou bien dans la
Oui,
société.
c'est ça. I'm very content. My mom, my education is because
Keep pushing Asian parents.
yes, keep pushing Asian parents because that's what made me who I am.
Yeah, yes.
You know, she was strict. I couldn't hang out. We couldn't pas qu'à jouer en dehors. We pas qu'à this, but everything she said was true.
Yeah, of course. Because it's easy for you to get bad influence. And bad influence ka te kapab bete ou kote koye la.
Correct.
Et m'kwe ke yo même yo vin na Amerika, yo we sa ka passe in Amerika, yo se protéger petit yo.
Correct.
De mauvais influence, and this is a good thing.
Correct.
Et peut-être musique, c'est peut-être refuge pas dans le sens. Maybe ou pas naka sorti hang out, but when you get on your piano,
That's when I
zone.
was free.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy that all my friends, while they were hanging out, my mom didn't know, "Pas sorti here? Où vi put my tio?" And I'm content, but je movie put because that's how I got my degree.
Yeah.
That's how I got my record deal. And that's how I'm here today with the man. You feel me?
Of course.
Kyle.
So let's start. I remember meeting you 2008 or 2009 at SOBs. And what te chante, we joue ça. And then so j'ai Jube introduce you like this is a new sensation, ça fait R&B, etc. What même peut-être programmé. I think they invited you to be on stage. Et puis ensuite tout est joué. But at the same time, I was like, oh, this is cool because dans la période ça on connaît, c'était Wyclef.
Correct.
You know, qui était. And actually, I think I came to New York. Okay, I remember that. C'était même période que Wyclef was getting his diplomatic passport.
Okay.
And then they had a party at SOBs for him, and Jerry was
I
there.
remember that. I remember that now.
Yes,
I
so,
remember.
yes, c'était là ça. And then,
Wow.
yes, a long time, man.
Long time.
Yeah, of course, et puis moi dit, oh, cool, c'est intéressant. And then I started following you, what you were doing and things like that. Et puis moi réalisé que you had like great featurings and stuff, producing Cardi,
Yes.
doing song with Jadakiss, Rick Ross and things like that. So comment ça vient take off? Dans le sens parce que peut-être m'aime connaître comme si from playing classical music, wanting to be an R&B singer, and comment vient entrer dans marché musique américain.
So, what I was doing after l'école, tout le monde battait là, because là, tu avais 2-3 jobs. So, mon mamie pas fâchée. When il était à le travail,
Yeah.
c'est ça, je connais, dit, ok, maman me dit pas, je me quitte car. Parce que qui j'en m'a fait par ma chef, je m'en donne tout le temps. So, quand il sera sorti, moi, mon, c'est américain.
Yeah.
On me toujours dit attention avec black américain, parce que c'est américain,
Yeah.
dit me fait là. So, quand il me contact avec un monde, that connaît monde, et c'est ça que me fait chaque jour après l'école. My day off.
Yeah.
Maman m'a venu the next day. She works in nursing.
Yeah.
So she was out all night.
And then you were out
I was
all
out all
night.
night. When mommy a venu dans cabine, la cabine moi bien couché, me dit non m'étais en dans cabine.
T'as dormi.
Yes, at that time there was no cameras, no nothing, no,
Yes.
so everything was good.
Yeah.
No Instagram,
Yes,
Facebook.
yes.
So I got away.
Yeah.
So that's how I got out there. They sorti every day, and then when I would go to school, I would leave from school to the studio, and eventually, Moon that was in the industry. That's how I met Jadakiss and Busta Rhymes and all these people, and then for Cardi B, c'est un Haïtien, Rel Shaft. The record label was KSR. Shaft had Cardi B signed him in 2015. And then m'était travaillé avec un paquet Moon at this point. Jadakiss, Busta Rhymes, Lil Wayne. And m'battais jamais run into a Haitian, un Haïtien, like me.
Oui, ok.
Un Haïtien américain. Oui, m'battais jamais en contact avec moi. I'm connais Wyclef and Jerry Wonder. I worked with them already before, but Shaft was more like from Queens, where I'm from, so I kind of felt comfortable. C'est lui-même qui gagne Cardi B, CN Souli. So I was in negotiation with Cash Money Records, and they voulaient signer avec that company at the time. But then once it and I like Shaft, what he was talking about.
Yeah.
And then he said, okay, ma quitte par ça, ma travaille là at KSR. And that's how I started to work with Cardi B.
Okay.
Because Cardi B was KSR's first artist.
Yes.
So c'est ça, je travaille avec lui chaque jour, je développe lui en studio,
Yeah.
packet music.
I saw some clips on your IG.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I was there for Bodak Yellow, which was dope. That's a song that set her career to go #1.
Yes.
And they're content, but it was all Shaft's vision. I just played my part in terms of adding my value to what was going on. So I'm very content that I got that opportunity to be her first producer and somebody that developed her. So that's how I got to that.
So, un pile moun qui peut-être a découvert qu'on y a réalisé que ou nan business assez longtemps ou fait un pile bagay. On tourne sur Cardi B qu'on t'a parlé tout à l'heure. So, when you looking at her right now and that big star that she became and things like that, qu'est-ce que tu dis tout?
I'm content that I well saw before she became that.
Yeah.
Because when I vin contact avec lui, she was still working in a strip club. She wasn't on TV. No Love in Hip Hop. It was just Shaft that dimwe. Travaille avec lui. M'te même travaille avec moun that was already plus gros parcel. But m'te where what Shaft vision was. And again, because he was still Haitian, I felt respected. You know, one thing about Haitians, you know this. Anyone older than you is your uncle.
Yeah.
And your tati.
Yeah.
So Shaft is older than me. So Kunya, I already went down to like being like respect.
Yeah, he was like a mentor.
He was like a mentor. So Selimem, because of that whole culture, it was easy to be like, I'm gonna listen to you. Because as a Timon, anyone older than you, it don't matter if they're 2 years, 3 years older than you.
Yeah.
That's your uncle, that's your tati.
Yeah.
So Shaft, when I met him, I just was like, yo, Cardi B, let's work. But Kunya, I'm gardé and look back, I'm very content. I'm dit oui. And pas dit non. Because there's un paquet de monde dit moi t'es fou.
Yeah.
Juste ça, il dit, oh, toi avec Stevie Wonder, Alicia Keys.
Et
puis on prend un fond, toi avec un stupide, maman t'es crié. Maman t'es crié, juste ça. Il dit, on prend ce petit monde fou. Tout le monde me dit, c'est ça, toi avec pour même aller à toi avec un stupide. Il dit, mami, arrête tranquille, chill out. This is going to be good.
Yeah.
So Kunya really become big as she is and very content
That's good.
that I was able to see that and be a part of it.
Nous parlons switch un petit cas sur ou même qu'on y qui rentre dans la communauté. Est-ce que vous même comme musicien, à part de côté m'te ou dans SOBiz là qui était haïtien, you used to perform for Haitians. Comment t'es connecté avec the Haitian community, you being the songwriter, singer and producer?
I like it. I feel like the Haitian community is accepting me, which I'm very content because I'm Haitian.
Yeah.
Even though I was born in America, like I said, I'm Haitian à genoux, je pas qu'à chipper, à l'école, mais me dire à ce soir, leggings, lambi, griot, tasso, pas jamais manger McDonald's, pizza dans le moi. Moi me dit c'est pas américain, je pas qu'à manger McDonald's. So for me, it's so cool to see tout Haïtien listen to my music and rock with me because that's what I always wanted. You know, I always wanted people to connect how beautiful Haiti is. Growing up in America, people always try to tell you Haiti pas bon, il pas belle, il pas gain monde, pas l'Haïti. But I just went to Haiti in December.
Yeah.
And of course there's a lot of pain, but there's a lot of beauty too.
Yeah.
And people don't talk about that. So for me using my platform, je voulais do my part pour faire tout le monde connaître how bad Haiti is and how powerful the people from Haiti is.
Définitivement. Vous parlez de voyage en Haïti. M'te rato parce que m'bat là dans le pays pendant période ça. Vous êtes en Haïti pour un promotional tour for your last single. Enfin, on dit before last puisque nous faisons single que nous allons parler de là qu'on y a qui qu'on fait avec Saskia Sky et Michael Guirin, etc. So parlez-nous de trip ça. Combien de jours t'es fait, qui sont tes remèdes, how was it, man?
Moi j'ai un bel tasson, mais moi j'ai tasson toujours en New York, mais m'bat tes gens, moi j'ai un tasson.
Non, moi j'ai haïtien et it's different.
Moi j'ai chaque jour me lever, moi j'ai un bon ça, sauce pas, sauce bad for the food.
Yeah.
But it was a beautiful thing. I'm content. M'te crié because moi all the pain too. It was hard for me. It made me appreciate Kijan, my mom vin là and moi m'pa jouer là. because li fait un pile sacrifice pour me fait là and pour travail là.
Yeah.
So it put me in a reality check that I have a lot of travail pour faire pour my people and my country that my family's from.
Yeah.
And I went there promoting Creole Love, which tout le monde était même very content, but I also went there with an eye-opening, realized that on pas que travail pour faire, mais même on voulait ba moun and aider moun.
Yeah.
And where Haiti is the place for me to do it. Instead of going to Brooklyn and helping out the people, not to say nothing wrong with Brooklyn.
You can always do that, but
We can always do
giving
that.
back to
But
your home country.
yes,
is
Haiti needs me way more.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go to Haiti and do my part because when I saw my people, you know, certain people suffering. And I faire my part to help. I'm just one person, but it only takes one person at a time to make a difference.
Of course.
So je voulais faire ça.
Ok. This song, justement, on parlait de lui, Creole Love, que peut-être moun yo wè sur internet là, et qui gagne Michael Gigan, Saskia Sky, etc., qui gon vibe. Bon, there's a DJ Stax cameo.
Yeah,
too.
that's my voice. It's my
Yeah.
DJ.
Yes.
Shout out to Stax.
Of course. And lead pour moi m'était intéressant comme musique because when I was listening to it and I love the mixture of R&B, pop, but also Caribbean vibe.
Correct.
Too. And especially like that Michael Gigan part was like the whole thing.
That was
Like,
a boom.
Yes, of course. So, comment collaboration ça a venu, parler d'un petit cas de musique là, de produce, the processing, the creative process behind the music and what you wanted to achieve with that, having like two Haitian American, I could say, artists featuring with you on that track.
C'est ça, song, ça, every year what I was doing, m'te écrit un song called Creole Love Part 1. And T. Mickey, you call T. Mickey?
Yeah, Dro.
Dro.
They got a song with him.
Yeah, I got a song with him as well. That's
Promise, I think.
yes. My boy Dro produced Creole Love 1. And we made that song a lot. I saw all the Haitian girls was like, yo, I like Creole Love. So I'm like, you know what? I got songs with a bunch of American artists, but I need to stay consistent with my people. So I wrote Creole Love Part 2. And when I was writing it, I'm like, you know what? This song would be hot with a singer. And then my boy Shaf was like, yo, Michael would kill this song. And Michael, somebody in the corner, always know him in the industry.
with Carrie Me and things like that. Yeah,
Tout
yeah,
côté in
yeah.
Boston. When I used to live in Boston, his
Yeah.
manager was always
Yeah,
there.
Fito.
Yeah, Fito.
Yeah.
So since I'm Cornell, but now it was the perfect time during this whole pandemic. Ite on Shita and Kaya, I was in the house, and we were like, you know, let's just work. Excite each other. So we moved for Creole Love Part 2. And he jumped on it, and then Shaf put that whole thing together. I mean, Shaf sent me the beat, and I started writing to it.
Okay.
And then the compa part, I have to give Shaf his credit. Shout out to Shaf.
He did that?
He put that together,
Okay.
man. Shaf is also a producer, not
Yeah.
only a record label
Yeah.
owner. He produced my single with Cardi B, Heaven on My Mind,
Yeah.
and he produced other records. But Shaf put that record together. I'm very
That's
thankful
good.
for that.
But is that a sign that you really wanted to, maybe for your upcoming project, being connected more with the Haitian community and
Yes.
working with Haitian artists?
Oui.
Since your upcoming single is with another
Haitian artist. That was the more like, I can't say it was a sign because who connaît avec Joe, avec l'autre, but this was more like, you know, I need to stay consistent with this. Because I always travaille avec Haitien, but I didn't keep it up
Yeah.
because I didn't really know nobody in that area. Even though I know Joe, but mba jamais Haiti avec Joe.
Yeah.
So all these things now, for me, Michael kind of opened up my consistency.
Yeah.
So now I'm knowing how much
So l'autre semaine, nous parlons vibe,
Yeah.
guest artists,
Correct.
Josh, or things like that,
Correct.
so we can perform together.
We're gonna perform together, and I can't wait for that. But now my agenda on now pour faire musique concert chaque jour. But I don't want to make it a once in a while thing. That's why I got my new single coming up. Excuse me.
We're going to talk about that. All right. Let's take a break, full confidential music, and then we can talk about that.
Let's do that.
All right.
So this is my first song that I got to do with Spot Stevie Wonder, and it's called First Time. You ready? Let's go. Turn on the lights so I can see what I'm doing, girl. I'm loving the way that you move, but what you do that, girl. Minus those shoes, 'cause you know I'm gonna be attraction, girl. Attraction, girl, I love my girl. Loving the way I rock it, girl. Pull on your hair, 'cause you love it when I do that, girl. Tonight's a special night for us. It feels like heaven, girl. Run my way down, for me to penetrate. Never thought I'd see you this way. Waited for this day. Now I know we're gonna spend the rest of our life. And you need to know that I really, 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 really love you. I really love you. Oh, girl. Ain't nothing like the very first time. My baby, I really love you. Oh, girl. Ain't nothing like the very first time. My baby, I really love you. Oh, girl. I really love you.
Yo, men, ma pas son petit moment avant là, parce que m'a découvert, ou tout, parce que m'a jamais t'es pas toujours un beat, toujours un bend there, etc. But now seeing you in that format is amazing. Parce que moun qui a suivi you, réaliser how talented you are and qui ça capable porter dans la communauté à tout.
Thank
But ou t'as parlé de Michael Guiran, de Karimi, côté peut-être connecté avec moun ça, but parlez nous petit cas de est-ce que même si tu es dans la musique classique, mais tu es un peu comparé contre la car ou tout. Comment tu es connecté avec la musique
The
haïtienne?
barbecue, you know that,
Yeah.
on the Haitian party.
Yes.
But toujours all night long. T-Vice, on Sweet Mickey, Alan Cave,
Yeah.
all those classic records. Growing up, I used to see compa avec on like the baby making music. Because when dance compa is very, very passionate.
Yes, yes, yes.
So as a kid, my mom used to say, "Opa got dance is grown folk," you know what I mean? Or but when I got to being, age where I could have my ladies, when like
Dans ce petit compas.
But I always grew up hearing it at the Haitian parties. You know, the communions, the confirmations, all the parties that you have with compa ringing through the night.
Yeah.
There was never no hip hop music.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's how I got to like, okay, that's my people's music.
Yeah. Or maybe Carnival on Eastern.
Yeah,
Carnival on Eastern
yeah,
Parkway.
forget it.
Yeah.
Eastern Parkway, that right there, you see, just brought me back. Eastern Parkway, that's it. My grandfather right there living in Eastern Parkway, and when I used to go there for Labor Day weekend, that's when I really got my culture, you know? So that's kind of how I got it. Otherwise, besides that, I'll tell you a little joke. How I parlais Creole, my mom's mom, pa parlait no English
yes.
at all.
Yeah.
So, de gen an joun te gongou, m di, grandma, manger, eat. So, li di, kave ti m petit flin juste la pou bat mwen. M di, no, I'm doing it. She said, you want to hit me, you want to beat me? I said, no, grandma, no, manger. So, kunya, my grandfather came and he spoke English and he was like, he's asking for food. And that's when I went to my mom. I said, Mom, don't ever bring me to grandma's house because I didn't eat all day. And my mom, so Kuya said, she said, you have to learn Creole. If vous voulez manger. So that's how I learned. That's how I started learning my
Creole.
Creole.
Otherwise, you would die of hunger, man.
Je sens pas manger. M'di Kuya m'di manger du riz, glo. So c'est ça, me comprendre Creole. Commencer par le Creole.
That's good. All right, so nous qu'on y a parlé de upcoming projects. Nous allons parler de single tout à l'heure qu'on fait avec Baki, but is that part of like an EP, an album? What's the project about?
The project is about a part of my EP called The X Project. And c'est ça, m'te travail m'écrit during the pandemic. Pas te gen much to faire, tout moun shut down, pas te jamais live like this before. So for me même, chita, mette musique moi, m'écrit. So this song is definitely off my project, which is Creole Love as well, with Michael and Saskia.
Yeah.
And we have about 12 new songs. I Miss You is my latest single that's on the American side. That hit top.
So you're
10.
gonna balance between the American side and doing music for the community.
Correct,
as well.
because what I realized is that tout monde Latin, Afrobeat, music Jamaican, they all play in the United States.
Yeah.
And since I'm about, man, why is compa and Haitian music not getting the same attention when I feel it's at the same level or better?
Yes.
So I want to make sure that I don't make it this is Haitian music. This is just good music.
Good music, yes.
good music.
And we can go mainstream as well.
Comme pas jamais know with Despacito. I don't know. I don't speak Mbaka. You know what I mean? And I got half Dominican in me. But pas jamais connais anything in Spanish. But why can't compa music or Haitian music reach the same level?
Yes.
So since I don't want to say, oh, it's just Haitian. Every time you hear me, I'm going to drop just fire music. Whether it's in Creole or English, it's fire music. But this is the start to a very new chapter in my life where you're going to get consistency with it. So my drop music with Haitian artists features more often than ever.
That's good.
So Baki is the latest.
Parce que je pense que l'intéressant dans le sens que ou gen package pa ou kopote et puis artiste haïtien pote package pa tout qui c'est we got the best of both worlds and one of the things qui est intéressant c'est que moun qui gen yeux sous in the Haitian market a gen yeux tout sous artistes haïtiens aussi.
Correct.
Somehow.
And I think it's a network for both of us.
Yes.
And that's what I like about it. My thing is m'vle moun haïtien pour connaître dem haïtien. C'est ça lié. C'est vérité. And then m'vle moun pour ouais américain pour ouais how dope music haïtien is. So it's a win-win for me.
Yeah, of course.
It's a win-win for me.
Pour ajuster musique haïtienne tout because là m'a regardé vidéo qu'on fait avec Michael avec Saskia m'geta réalisé comme si moun k'ap gade le capable peut-être prendre OK Ryan Rollem this is American music at first.
Correct.
Et cette musique là évolué et puis maintenant bon l'autre expérience.
Correct. And that's what we're going to do with everything. I hear the music American influence and then I aller l'autre côté.
Yeah.
So moun get familiar with it. Until it's like, oh, that's just that music. And that's my job. My faire travail ça.
Yes, and especially also ça m'était trouvé intéressant dans projet pour là it's just because ou peut-être dans R&B ou t'es peut-être plus travailler avec moun qui dans the hip hop side of the Haitian industry, but Gay Saskia, she's more R&B and pop, and then we get Michael Gigan, qui 100% compa, of course. So and the mixture,
we mixing it up.
Yeah.
So people just fall in love avec tout good music. Because mon haïtien qu'on fait bagay men, qu'on fait manger, nous font qu'on musique ou qu'on fait tout bagay.
Et puis nous éclairer, ça veut dire we got different influences qui changent en petit cas façon que nous-mêmes nous changer. Nous ouais le monde et ça que nous fait. Et je pense que c'est un avantage que peut-être nous gagnons. Sans tout à parler tout à l'heure de Latino and things like that. En plus, les Latinos étaient influencés among themselves, but us Haitians, we more open to every type of things. Even of food. Of course, nous get bon manger la caille, but when you see some chefs making like what they call that the Haitian cuisine fusion, like mixer coréen, japonais avec manger haïtien, this is good and c'est des expériences que nous faisons, but qui still rete nous-mêmes and we have ourselves 100%.
100%.
Yeah, of course, it's pretty good. Parlez-nous de Baki. So how do you pick your
features?
Your features, yes.
For me, it starts off by just liking the person.
Yeah.
So everybody in the corner, even Dro, travaille avec Baki, and tout le monde they connaît Manny Baki. So when I met Baki, I met the way he was as a person first.
Cool guy.
Yeah, cool guy. When we met avec as a person, nous met travail. The vibe is there. So Baki only go talent. M'te fait mon reach out because m'te met travail avec lui. Just listening to all the music. You know, there's some other artists I wanted to work with, but Baki was at the top of like, okay, the Haitian hip hop game. If I'm gonna work with somebody, I want to work with Baki.
Yeah.
And when we reach out to the était content, like the way I was content. And then when we shot the video, forget it, we had too much fun.
Yeah, for the video, when you went all out with the video.
We went crazy with
private planes,
private planes, helicopters, belle femme. On connaît belle femme, pas jouer avec belle femme. Belle femme.
Yeah.
And we had fun. But Baki's a cool guy. And and I'm very thankful. So shout out to Baki and his whole team for being very professional. And we shot that video up until like 7 o'clock in the morning.
Wow.
Yeah, and I had to fly out to New York right after. But Baki was there. He didn't complain. He content. So shout out to Baki and Mpaka. I can't wait pour laguer ça. So the music is about just getting lit. Now, connaît mon haïtien, I know as a Haitian guy, I'm flashy. Maybe by bad woman, bad woman. So c'est ça, m'vle mon pour connaître mon haïtien parents avec belle bagarre, nous gagnons ça tout. So in this video, we're letting people know how Haitian people give it up.
Okay.
And the song is about the high life, the rolling. Is no broke folk, we say.
Yeah, yeah.
This is for the elevation.
Yeah.
And Baki killed it. He's talking about all that fancy stuff. Baki, the minute on verse, this is crazy, right?
Yeah.
And it's called Excusez-moi. And we just pretty much saying, excuse me, like y'all know we lit. Like Haitians is lit. We outside with it. Don't ever underestimate what Haitians can do, because we can do it all.
Yes, of course. And especially in America, à côté que très souvent de temps en temps, since la caille pas trop bon, and then moun ka voye shade sou pour n'importe qui bagay.
Of course, and that's
just
all the
because
time,
they-
because people say, oh, Haiti, oh, no. Haiti is, people from Haiti is
La caille pas bon, mais les affaires nous fait.
new fell. So that's the tone we setting with this excuse and when, and we gonna let people know how we do it real big in the Haitian world, and people gonna follow the trend.
Yes, of
Because
course.
it's not even like a Haitian, like this video we shot, like we, this is going to BET. You know, we going big on this song. So Baki definitely killed it, and I can't wait for the people to see it.
I can't wait too pour m'ka wè vidéo ça. But now, on parle de EP quoi faire et pour être consistant sous marché. Of course, pandemic là pas peut-être permettre un pile bagay.
Yeah.
But is your dream is to perform in Haiti?
I
live?
cannot wait. Paka Ton, that is my dream. It's to be there. I want my mom there. My mom stala and perform for the people. I
Yeah.
can't wait. Hopefully this summer, no getting Tumble Festival with Michael and Saskia and Baki. Baki already said he want to do some shows together. So I'm
He
looking
says he's working on his project too.
Correct.
So,
He's working on his project, which I'm hopefully be working. When he comes to New York next month, we're gonna be working and doing some stuff too. So we probably do some more music as well.
Okay.
It's not just a one-time thing. And I can't wait to perform for IT. Since I did the press conference, so I got to perform for the press, but I'm perform for
que
the
public
people.
là pour venir.
Pour public.
Especially qu'on y a que moun yo plus ou moins connaît ou approprié comme haïtien.
Oui.
So let's talking about the feedbacks that you got since the Creole Love Part 2 came out. Qui commentaire qu'on joine, qu'on apprécie, comment ouais moun yo accueille yo?
I love it. Tout time when pocket Haitian flags. That makes me feel good because I got the Haitian flag tatted on my leg. That was just how I felt connected to Haiti.
So a black that I had tatted on my chest, you had tatted on your.
You feel me? I got it right here. You feel me?
Yeah.
And every time I see the Haitian flags on my page and when Haiti, I'm content. Because even though I got my American fans and fans all over the world, it ain't nothing like the support from your people.
Yeah.
That's fait ça, c'est me connais même langue maman parlait. C'est tout pays that remain almost the music that I've loved so much, they're listening to. So fait ça, baga ça fait me content un pile. But the feedback has been great. Creole Love is over 500,000 views.
Yes.
We really just dropped
It's
it.
more than half.
Yes.
I think the last time I checked it was like a lot more than that actually.
Yeah,
More than half.
it's definitely.
I didn't know when you checked, but before I checked, since I had to prepare the interview,
I got you.
I was like, yeah, you had a lot of views.
A lot of views,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
And moi c'est pas juste même haïtien.
Yeah.
So on pas que mon pas te connaît.
Yeah, because it's like your first introduction,
Correct.
really, formally.
For real.
To that
Correct.
community,
And it's like my real introduction. So I'm paying in the beginning because I'm like, I don't know if they're going to mess with it, but more that the reaction has been bon bagay.
Yeah.
So I'm very content. I'm very content pour moi-même venir checker avec moi.
I had to, man. What interview I took me so hard
I'm very content pour chita avec vous-même, man. Because my family, even like I was telling you, Pedro, he said, Karel, tout badi moi. So very thank you, for coming here and vibing with me in my element, but I'm content tout Haïtien is showing me love. And that's what I want, because that's what I want more than anything, is to give back.
Of course.
So c'est ça m vle, and then ma mène un paquet moun dam zomi avec la bolakay.
That's it, man. That's
Pour
it.
vin wè Haiti avec moi. What's up? This your boy Josh X, and this my song Creole Love featuring my boy Michael and my homegirl Saskia. You know you're very special. I want you Creole Love. You changed my whole perception. Swear to God I couldn't trust. You might be superwoman. Girl, give me my first love. If heaven's above, is that where you from?
good time. And je pense que ou doit faire showcase en Haïti, man.
I'm ready. Je vais faire ça bien rapide.
Je pense que pile monde qui content well en live et especially pile monde qui dans média qui t'a content découvrir ou connecter avec ou since the last time d'après ça me connaît c'était juste un bagage rapide côté fait. But faut vraiment venir pour vraiment media tour, meeting the right people beside me. and do your thing, man. But tout à l'heure, tu as parlé de comment ou tu as posé cette question pour qui sa musique haïtienne, ou bien compas, ou bien n'importe quel autre genre, ou bien l'autre artiste haïtien, pas qu'un mainstream haïtien. From that American point of view, since ou travaille dans l'industrie américaine déjà, ou fait succès dans l'industrie déjà, qui sont pensés, what do you think is missing? Qui sont pensés que nous t'a doué faire? Ou bien qui ça va faire qu'on y a tout? Change the narrative a little bit and
I say that we need more than one. You know, shout out to Wyclef.
Yeah.
Wyclef always been a big founder in terms of being that one person to go hard for Haiti. But there was never more than that.
Yeah.
So I say Latin music, they got about 20 artists, 30 artists.
Collaborate
to frappe.
Yeah.
Afrobeat, everyone's Afrobeats, everyone's working together. Jamaican music on pocket collaborations. So I feel like Haitians got to continue that, and we have to work with one another, travailler ensemble, and make sure that we work together to get the message out.
Yeah.
It can't be about competition with one another.
Yes.
Right now, it has to be about just getting the same agenda out. Because Haiti, like I said, the culture is beautiful.
Yes.
And tout le monde that come over to my house when they hear my music, compa, they be like, damn, they start dancing. But it's not just Josh X gonna do it. It's gonna be Josh X, Baki, Michael, Wyclef. Two bad guys play their part, and I think it will change.
Of course, and I had an opinion on that because je pense tout que diaspora doit porter musique là tout. Ça veut dire que c'est vrai que moun yo là, yo aux États-Unis, nous en pile. Ça veut dire si nous commençons à jouer musique nous, pas seulement le 18 mai ou bien le 1er janvier.
Yes.
Ou bien sur Eastern Parkway.
Yes, not just the holiday.
Yes, there's the holiday.
Correct.
Il est capable peut-être continuer à faire influence parce que nous en pile nous gagne bonne musique et nous pensons que musique nous plus bon que en pile l'autre monde qui dans Caraïbes là. So
100% plus bon.
C'est quand même intéressant que communauté a jamais embrasser ou même embrasser tout l'autre monde supporter projet ça like share those videos the group chat que nié bring them in your conference room the corporate meetings
play it in your car
whatever is happening
please the music on car. Play it in your Insta story. Just like you said, c'est pas na Eastern Parkway Holiday Carnival. Pour the Haitian. Everywhere I go, I let them know I'm Haitian.
Yes.
When I'm talking to the Grammys, I let people know I'm Haitian. Say Haitian, yeah. Back here, I don't know, it's not BT, I'm Haitian. MTV is like, you gotta, the diaspora, have to feel proud.
Yes. Et embrasser ça qui fait
embrace it, don't be scared. Because back in the day, moun te people dis moun Haitian American, même pas des gens.
Especially nous gagne belle bagaille pour montrer tout.
Gagne belle bagaille pour montrer. So c'est ça, me dit tout côté m'aller, m'pas care, im Japon me dit Haïtien, Chinois me dit Haïtien, m'pas quoi Indien me dit Haïtien. So that's how we gonna get it, not just on the holidays. And once we come together like that, I believe the music will go further. Because Wyclef did it. You know, he made people want to be Haitian.
Yes.
You know, but now they need more artists like that.
And when I go nouvelle génération qu'on y a, Wyclef fait pour génération.
He fait for generation. Exactly. Now, who's gonna champion it now? And generation.
And now with social media, we can do way better and go further.
So say même, you know, and Wyclef, you know, shout out to Wyclef. He always told me that somebody as an artist, you know, he respects my craft and he respects what I do, and Jerry Wonder as well. So I know I would have their blessings, you know, to make my splash.
Definitely. All right. So, en attendant l'autre collaboration and the upcoming project, man, t'es content fait chita parler ça avec vous.
Me too, man. Thank you.
I can't wait to welcome you in Haiti.
I can't wait to
Maybe we're gonna do a sit down in my studio now.
Yes, that's what I want. I gotta be with the plug.
All right. Thank you, Josh.
Thank you, merci.
All right, brother.
Thank you.
Ok, c'était Josh X. Checkez monsieur tout partout, sur toute plateforme yo. Stream his music. Monsieur haïtien, fier que l'haïtien il a envie de connecter à la communauté et embrasser ça que nous-mêmes nous gagnons pour porter dans la communauté américaine, puisque il est très comme capable de ça, très connu dans le milieu ça avec toute collaboration que le fait l'autre production. So, c'était Karel. en direct depuis New York, dans cette interview ça, et puis continuer à supporter Salot Haïtien fait tant que Josh dans n'importe quelle communauté, côté que Chili, Brésil, France, Canada, all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whoa, whoa, excusez-moi, act up, go crazy, souffle. Guess you didn't hear me the first time. I still sent shots, you playing with your life. They know you small time. Excusez-moi, act up, go crazy, souffle. Guess you didn't hear me the first time. I still sent shots, you playing with your life. They know you small time. Excusez-moi. Got a lawyer for the case. Money and Glocks in the safe. Nigga come say the shit again. Don't let me put a bag on your head. Jumping in and out of the states. You could go ghost for the day. I got the power in your face. There ain't no stopping. I can help you with your problems. Do what you do, just don't start it. Stop it, don't start no. We don't talk on the phone. When you see the mom's time to go, excuse and wait. Cause tell if you're vibing right. Whoa, so I'm hoping we on the same time. Yeah, it's tripping me, I won't lie. If I got to, but in this case, I'm rocking with the truth. Life, living it loosely. Champagne, a nigga got groupies. Ice, spilling on the Gucci. Buy everything with a bad bitch on the private jet. Act up, go crazy, souffle. Guess you didn't hear me the first time. Eyes closed, I send shots. You playing with your life. They know you small time. Excuse and wait. Act up, go crazy, souffle. Guess you didn't hear me the first time. Eyes closed, I send shots. You playing with your life. They know you small time. Excuse and wait.
Yo, souffle, vim. Souffle, vire ta coupe Ma fait la route, on est film. La fête, il doit être champagne. Le mi Paris, les béchines. On passe les problèmes gros. Alors, ma frère, on a fait moi. Et tout le temps, la fait la jeu pour tes poupons. On y a même changer tout le plan. Si t'as pas le côté changer what plan. Les gars là, il y a des mouvements. Y'a pas qu'on connaît mes coups blancs. Si on est bon fou, comme boule d'art, t'es là pour mettre des gars qui ont fait nos plans.
Excusez-moi. Act up, go crazy, souffle. Guess you didn't hear me the first time. Eyes closed, I send shots. You playing with your life. They know you small time. Excusez-moi. Act up, go crazy, souffle. Guess you didn't hear me the first time. Eyes closed, I send shots. You playing with your life. They know you small time. Excusez-moi.
Wow.